Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by verifying prerequisites so the update installs cleanly. Make sure your iPhone or iPad runs the minimum iOS version required. This avoids compatibility errors. Once done, back up your music library to iCloud or a local backup to prevent data loss. Next, connect to a reliable Wi-Fi network and plug in or ensure battery is above 50% so the update won't stop mid-process. These initial steps reduce risk and set you up for a smooth update flow. Now proceed to obtain and install the update. Open the App Store, search Apple Music and tap Update, or go to Settings General Software Update if the release requires a system update. Install that first. During installation, watch progress and keep the device awake and connected. After installation, launch Apple Music and grant requested permissions for features like microphone or library access. These enable new functionalities. If the app requests cellular use, decide now whether to allow downloads on mobile to match your data plan. Finish by confirming everything works and resolving any hiccups. Sign into your Apple ID and verify your Apple Music subscription so content unlocks. Make sure Sync Library is enabled in Settings Music to restore playlists and uploads. Toggle it off then on to force a refresh if items are missing. If you encounter issues, restart the device first. If problems persist, reinstall the app or reset network settings to clear corrupted caches. These steps usually fix connectivity and library sync faults.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.